Welcome to my channel, LuxuryCar001. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the all-new 2026 Chevy Malibu. It's finally here, and I've got an exclusive walkaround for you. If you're a fan of sleek design, modern tech, and performance blended with elegance, stick around, because this might just be the sedan you've been waiting for. Let's start with the exterior. Right off the bat, the Malibu's redesign is turning heads. The 2026 model sports a more aggressive front fascia, with a bold new grille that seamlessly integrates with the slim LED headlights. Chevy's signature lighting signature has evolved. It's sharper and cleaner, giving the Malibu a more premium, confident look. The sculpted hood and subtle creases along the body add a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. Down the sides, you'll notice a more aerodynamic silhouette. The roofline slopes gently into the trunk, creating that perfect blend of sporty and elegant. And check out those 19-inch alloy wheels. They're not just for show, they improve grip and handling too. The chrome accents are tastefully done, giving off a luxury vibe without going over the top. Now moving to the rear, the taillights have been redesigned as well. Full LED treatment continues back here, with a continuous light bar that runs across the trunk. It's simple, futuristic, and eye-catching. The rear bumper features a dual exhaust setup and an integrated diffuser-style lower trim that hints at the Malibu's sporty nature. Let's step inside. The 2026 Malibu is all about elevating the driver and passenger experience. You're greeted with soft-touch materials, a redesigned center console, and Chevy's newest infotainment system running on a massive 13.4-inch touchscreen. It's intuitive, responsive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's even a built-in Google Assistant for voice commands, directions, and smart controls. Behind the steering wheel, you've got a fully digital instrument cluster that's customizable and vibrant. You can switch between classic analog-style dials and futuristic layouts with real-time driving data. The seats, power-adjustable, ventilated, and wrapped in premium leather. And yes, the ambient lighting adds just the right amount of sophistication at night. Under the hood, the 2026 Malibu is expected to offer a turbocharged 1.5L engine standard, with an optional 2.0L turbo for those who crave more power. Paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission, this setup delivers a refined and confident driving experience. It's not a race car, but it's quick off the line and responsive in traffic. Safety-wise, Chevy packs in all the latest: adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking are all standard. There's even a 360-degree camera system for easy parking and a head-up display that keeps your eyes on the road. That wraps up our walkaround of the 2026 Chevy Malibu. Let me know what you think in the comments. Has Chevy finally nailed the modern midsize sedan? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more premium car content right here on LuxuryCar001. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.